Hi there! I was thinking of trying something new in my sewn products and decided to switch things up by using snaps instead of buttons. My choice fell on the Vario pliers from Prim. I'll show you what is in the Primlove set, how to use it, and test it out on some knitted fabrics that I have for my nearest sewn plans. We have got two replacement inlets and punch tools. With them you can make holes 3 or 4 mm in diameter. There is also a tool set for attaching plastic color snaps onto the fabric in diameter of 12.4 mm and 9 mm. Usually, inserts for plastic snaps need to be purchased separately, but in the Primlove edition they are included. Lastly, we have a lever for removing the tools. We will need it later. I am planning to make snap flap pocket pants from this fabric. But before I dive into sewing, I want to test how these snaps work with this fabric. At first, we need to insert the round die base and cone punch into the plastic holders to punch holes in the fabric. I'm going to install plastic and jersey snaps. Even though they don't require pre-punched holes, I'm still curious to see how the hole punch works with knit fabric like this. Well, it's not quite perfect, but it's good enough. I'm just clipping it a bit. Now it's time to switch tools. You can easily remove the attachments with this lever. Just push it out. So let's move on to the set for attaching plastic snaps. To reinforce the fabric where the snaps will go, I'm going to use interfacing and an iron. This will help the snaps hold onto the fabric more securely. Next, let's attach these plastic color press fasteners. First, choose the pairs. I like to call them the female and male parts. The sharp spoke on the snap can pierce the fabric independently. So, in case of plastic press fasteners, you can skip the whole piercing step. Put the male part over the spoke and then place the backing part of the snap in the white tool, which looks like a plate. Line them up and gently close the pliers, then squeeze them with both hands very tightly. Voila! This flattened the spoke and attached the snap onto the fabric. Repeat the same on the other side with the female part. When the snaps are new, they may be difficult to fasten and unfasten. However, they will become less tight with use. Now let's move on to the jersey snaps. There is an extra tool for attaching press fasteners when they need to be placed far from the fabric edge, or if you don't have pliers. With the help of this tool and a hammer, you can install the snaps. And if you have the Prim pliers, special attachments make installing jersey snaps easy. Let's choose the male and female pairs once again. These snaps have sharp prongs that pierce through the fabric, so you don't need to pre-punch holes. The important thing here is to insert the snap parts into the attachments on the right side. And then, as with the installation of plastic snaps, line them up, carefully close the pliers and squeeze them very hard with both hands. I thought about sewing a cardigan with a front button placket out of this fabric, but now I am looking forward to using these snaps instead of buttons. The Prim brand offers a wide variety of snaps, rivets, eyelets and jeans buttons, all of which can be attached with these pliers. I am excited to try out some more of them in the future, but for now, thanks for watching and see you next time.